Introducing the Kordz PRO SlimCat Cat6 Outdoor Network Cable System. Expertly engineered to go where other cables can't in professional outdoor AV installations. Created by integrators for integrators, this system delivers all the performance of standard Cat6 cabling in a slimmer, more flexible format, specifically designed for demanding outdoor environments. Following the success of our multi-award-winning SlimCat range, this outdoor variant offers reliable, discrete connectivity in hard-to-reach external spaces. It supports high-performance data and PoE++ up to 50 meters, while the reduced diameter and increased flexibility make it easier to handle, install, and conceal. The PRO SlimCat outdoor cable is UV-stabilised for above-ground use and complies with key international standards, including Australian AS/NZS specifications. It's ideal for connecting security cameras, outdoor Wi-Fi access points, and other critical devices in outdoor installations. Its compact form and reduced weight improve handling during installation, allowing smaller ingress holes and less effort whilst fitting in tight spaces, making it particularly useful for retrofits and limited access areas. Fully compatible with all other components in the SlimCat system, including the PRO SlimCat RJ45 connectors and keystone sockets, this cable ensures a complete and cohesive solution for outdoor network deployments that deliver connectivity assured. Each cable is manufactured from quality materials to exacting standards and is individually tested to ensure lasting performance. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it delivers the level of reliability AV professionals expect from Kordz. For integrators seeking a simplified, high-performance outdoor network solution, the Kordz PRO SlimCat Cat6 Outdoor Network Cable System delivers all the power in half the size. To find out more, visit kordz.com.